Hi, welcome back. In this video I want to talk about something called a template. And so a template, what it will do, we had our hello world there, and when I put it in a template, it was hidden from view. And so you might ask yourself, why would I do this ever? Well, if you're just making a static HTML page, it might not be, or a simple static HTML page, it might not be incredibly obvious. However, having a template with all the elements already arranged is a lot easier than generating one from JavaScript a lot of times. And so if we have a template, we can get our template by its ID in JavaScript. So you can use the ID to get it. We can manipulate it, add this templated area somewhere else, and then use this template within the code within JavaScript. So it actually is quite useful. If we were to take this out, take out the E, it's no longer a template, it's a template or something like that, some other unknown element, and it's all of a sudden visible again. This is, as a side note, something interesting about HTML. HTML is different from XML. XML is another markup language, but in XML, all of the elements essentially need to be registered, so they need to be whatever's interpreting the XML needs to know what they are, essentially. With HTML, the browser will try really, really, really hard to figure out what it is. And that means if the name is incorrect, it will treat it like something else. And so internet browsers can generally handle pretty significant errors in the HTML. That doesn't mean you should create them. If you can avoid it, obviously avoid creating errors in your HTML. But you can, for example, create an element called Bob. Hello. And it will display. It won't have the default behaviors that you might be hoping for, but it will display. So that's an interesting thing to know about HTML, just since it came up.